Today I'm here with Denis, who will tell us a bit about Ilika and the applications in the IoT industry.
Well, Lorenzo, last year we launched a solid-state battery at the IDTechEx, which was our M250 Stereax solid-state battery for smart homes and smart building. And this year we've got a new product which can operate at higher temperature, up to 150 degrees, to be inserted in sensors for industrial applications next to a hot machine or an engine in a car for sensors. And this is demonstrated here.
Okay, can you tell us a bit about the perpetual beacon?
That's right. Well, these batteries have sub-milliamp hour capacity. Mm-hmm. So the question is, what can they really do with such a small capacity? So we're demonstrating this with a beacon that has our battery, a PV panel from electricity. We're combining those two to power this autonomous sensing device, which has electronics, including sensors, temperature sensors, and the data is sent to a tablet through Bluetooth. What you really want to look at is what's down here, which is the same device on a hot plate at 120 degrees, and it's still operating quite nicely.
Wow, that's impressive. And here we have a wafer which shows the way it is your batteries are produced, right?
Yeah, that's correct. So the way solid-state batteries are produced is through a PVD, physical vapor deposition technique, evaporation in vacuum chambers, okay. Using a 6-inch wafers, kind of semiconductor type wafers.
Okay, so you transferred some techniques from the semiconductor industry to produce your solid-state batteries.
Absolutely. In fact, techniques for depositing and synthesizing MEMS or OLEDs are not really far away from the way we make those batteries, so it's quite transferable.
Wow, that's great. And as you said before, the markets you're targeting is the Internet of Things with its industrial applications, so Industry 4.0. And can you give us some examples of where these batteries could be employed?
Well, you've got it on the head. Mm-hmm. So these are small batteries, small in size, so they are very useful for inserting in very small sensors that you don't really want to forget. You want to forget about and make them invisible. And the high temperature performance is enabling those sensors on hot parts. So industry, for predictive maintenance, a machine acquiring data that might tell you whether the machine is about the pump. For example, mm-hmm. A pump is about to heat up and break. Data to enhance productivity. Mm-hmm. In cars, for example, sensing gas through an exhaust, composition of gas, where the temperature is quite high, is very useful. Yeah.
Wow, that's great. And so what do you think of the IDTechEx show? I guess here you have many companies that come to your booth and have maybe some partnerships in mind with your devices.
We start loving it here, so mm-hmm. We keep coming back to it. We like learning about the ecosystem, and we're getting all those people really sharing this vision for IoT, and we know we are part of an ecosystem, and so we want to understand who those people are to start working with them.
Wow, that's great. Wow, well, Denis, thanks again for your time, and I wish you best of luck.
Pleasure, Lorenzo. Thank you.